Here's a simple way to find who is currently hiring on LinkedIn. So in the same way that you can set your account to open to work and a green banner will show around your name saying that you're currently open to work, hiring managers, business owners, recruiters can set to their profile hashtag hiring, and that will show that they're currently hiring. So to be able to find such people, you'll go into the search bar and you'll do hashtag hiring. Then you'll be able to see a bunch of posts here of people who are currently hiring. Either they added the hashtag hiring to their post, or they have the purple banner that says hashtag hiring. And if you go through all these, you'll be able to find different people who are currently hiring. So the next question you're probably going to ask is that these people are all over the world. How do you find people who are hiring in your area? So next, what you want to do is hashtag hiring. I'm going to use a Boolean search. And so you're going to go and, capital letters for and then you will say the name of the city where you live. I live in Ottawa, so we'll use Ottawa as an example. So hashtag hiring and Ottawa. Basically what's going to happen now is you're going to see posts from people who are hiring in Ottawa. And some of these posts are older. And what you can basically do is work with the filters to be able to see some of the most recent posts where people have used hashtag hiring. If you want to learn more about Boolean searches and how it can help you connect with hiring managers and recruiters easier on LinkedIn, check out this video. I'll see you in that one.